Hi, everybody. I apologize. I got a little long-winded, I guess, and it cut me off on the last one. So I'll finish up quickly. This is for your Module 4 Systems Approach, Human Existence, and Universal Energy assignment. And I was going through the second component. I'd already covered your first component in that. But in the second component, what it says is that you're going to share two resources. That can be from a scholarly article, from a book, from a website that shares similar thoughts or ideas related to the systems perspective, either Roy, King, or Newman, or it can be a combination of all of them, or the human existence and universal energy viewpoint using Rogers, Newman, or Peirce. What you're going to do is, after you find some resources each for each one of these, and you look it up, you find what you're interested in, you're going to provide a brief summary of each of the resources in narrative format and the benefit of those resources for you in your practice. And it says you can use one resource from the systems perspective from Roy, King, or Newman. You can use one of those or all of them, but you need to have one resource that shows how you use one of these approaches, or what it means, or something that you think would be beneficial to you in your practice or your future use of one of these approaches. And then you do the same thing for Rogers, Newman, and Peirce resource. So find a resource that you really think you can use from either one of these or both of these approaches, and then you just use one for each, one resource for each. So you're going to just do a little summary. It can be a paragraph or two telling how you think you could use this resource and basically what it says. You might see that when you're looking through that somebody has done a study, or they've applied this in clinical practice to a DMP project, something like that, where they've used these approaches. And then you'll just do two little write-ups. You'll tell about the resource, you'll cite it inside your writing, and then you'll include a reference at the end. So there'll be two of those resources there. And then the last part is the application format of this, and this is in narrative format. You're going to share one or more examples of how you, as an advanced practice nurse, could apply the systems approach or the human existence universal energy view in your roles and functions as an advanced practice nurse to influence your theory-based advanced nursing practice. So, think about where you work, what you do, what you're interested in, and finding out more about, and then just take one of the systems approach models, or one of the universal energy viewpoints or human existence viewpoints, and figure out which one that you want to use related to that, and then just do a little write-up there. That one's 30 points as well, and then you'll see at the bottom the APA format, the 10 points, where you use correct grammar and spelling, in-text citations. You don't have to have a title page on this, but several of you like to do that, and that's fine if you want to do that, but you do need to have a reference list where you're including all your references that you've used. So I hope you enjoyed this assignment, and I'm sorry about it being two overviews in a row, but I think it'll help you without this being cut off. So have a great day.